Our best performing candidate with a mean of 87.011 is a student called Karimi Naomi Kawira from Pangani Girls High School.
Minister wa Githomo Fred Matiang'i kurekereria maumirira ma KCSE kuri arutwo airitu mekite wega makirigithanio na arunao anake.
I just couldn't believe that I had made such a great achievement in life.
Arutwo arutani na aciari a ciana iria igwikite wega kigeranio-ini gia KCSE gukungwira uhotani wao ituri-ini itiganite cia bururi.
Abunge na kiama kia Jubilee kuhamurithio kuma kamiti-ini cia bunge guku ciama iria ciumbite ngwatanira NASA igiteta kuiywo maiyo ni kiama kia ODM githurano-ini gia kamiti ya PIC.
Na nyitanira na Kariuki wa Wachira giguceria itura-ini ria Kaloleni guku Nairobi na riria riri wario ucambicukite matuko-ini ma ica ikuhi.